everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new here. My name is Green Goddess and this is the Green Goddess Apothecary, and I am excited for today's video. Today's video we are actually going to be doing a DIY project. Got my little pink basketball here. I am obviously not a professional at do it yourself. Okay, no one can be a professional. I mean, some people can be professional, right? I think you can be professional DIY. We are going to be making a basketball planter that I saw many times all over the internet, and I just really want one, so that's what we're going to be doing today. For this project, you won't need too many things. You'll need a basketball, and in all honesty, this ball I thought was bigger when I purchased it, but that is my fault for not paying attention. But you'll need a basketball of any size or whatever you want. I got some rope, and it comes with these little hook things that I'm going to hook onto the side of the basketball, and some scissors or an X-Acto knife or something sharp to be able to cut the basketball with, and a Sharpie. And now that we've got that out of the way, let's get into the project. So I'm going to be putting my string of pearls into the basketball, but first I have to upgrade it to this one. So let me just do that really quick and I'll be back. I just realized that before I switch them, I should probably get an accurate measurement on the basketball. I'm too excited and I'm moving a little too fast. See, like that. To my circle, and now I'm just going to cut it out. Cut it, cut it, cut it, cut it. Okay. I'm gonna go do this now. So it looks like after I'm done. Now let's see if it fits. It's so perfect. I'm so happy with this. The next thing that I have to do is make sure that I have hooks here so that this thing can stay up like that on both sides. I'm going to come back with these two things fixed and ready to chain link and put it on the wall. I'll be back. I've got one side in there, and now I'm trying to do the next side, and this is kind of hard. But yes, I will come back when this side is finally finished. This is what it looks like after I'm done with getting these hooks in there. Just want to double check again that my pot fits. Alright, that looks pretty good to me. I'm so excited. And now I am going to finally put the plant into here where it belongs. And I can't wait to watch it grow. It's gonna look so good from this basketball. But yes, I'm gonna repot my string of pearls into this little potter right here. And then I will be ready. All right, so I am letting the string of pearls bottom water, and I'm just gonna stick this plastic bag in there into the basketball just to make sure that if any water does drip, it doesn't cause anything nasty to happen inside of here. It could just all drip into the plastic bag. And here is the rope that I got. Just hook it on like that. But like, how do you take it off if you don't want any more? I'm just trying to figure out the right size or the right length that I want this, I'm trying to cut the chain link with, it's not chain, it's plastic, but I'm trying to cut it with scissors. I should use something sharper, but now you get to watch me struggle. So. It's almost there. Oh. I did it. All right, so this is about the length of it fully, and oh my god, I'm so excited. This is so cute. Like a little freaking purse. I'm gonna go get the plant, make sure that she's good, and then finally put her in here and situate it so that I can finally hang her from the ceiling. This is my first time having string of anything, so I'm still kind of trying to learn the plant. I know it is a succulent, and I know succulents don't necessarily enjoy their roots being touched. I mean, not their roots, their leaves when it comes to watering. But I've learned my lesson with fungus gnats, so I don't really water from the top, but like I just found like a random root sticking out. Or maybe it wasn't a root, I don't know. But this is what it looks like for now, and I can't wait till it gets longer and prettier. But this is how she looks, and I'm gonna go set her up on the wall and get her situated and see how it looks. Quick update on the basketball planter. So I actually moved it a little bit closer to the window because I found out that string of things enjoy the indirect sun. Also, now we don't have a string of pearls. This is a string of bananas. It's pretty long, and I just thought it looked a lot better in this little planter, and just want to admire it for a bit because it's pretty awesome. Got some new growth going in over there, but overall I am loving this planter, and my string of bananas is loving its stylish pot. So yeah, super fun project to make. I think it looks awesome, and it's just gonna make my room and this living room look so much better. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed watching me make my DIY basketball planter, and I hope you stay tuned for more videos. Have a good day. Bye.